I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start in Settings to change the Android device name. This is where the system stores that label. Open Settings and type About into the search bar if you don't see it immediately. Once there, tap About Phone or About Tablet to view the current device name and model details. Make sure you have unlocked the device and any work profiles are accessible. This prevents permission issues later. Having the current name noted lets you confirm the change succeeded after you finish. Once you're on the About page, find and tap the device name or phone name entry. Some manufacturers label it slightly differently. When the Edit dialog appears, type a concise, recognizable name. This helps Bluetooth and network identification. You should avoid overly sensitive personal info when the device may be visible to others. After entering the name, tap Save or OK. If your Android skin autosaves, wait a few seconds and then back out to verify the displayed name updated correctly. Finally, verify the new name across Bluetooth pairing lists, hotspot SSID, and nearby device lists to confirm propagation. If the old name persists, restart the device to force system services to reload and broadcast the updated label. Should problems continue, clear the Settings app cache or inspect Device Administrator or work profile restrictions that may lock the name. If you use a manufacturer account, sync settings again. Once done, the new name should appear correctly across apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.